Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view the history of the dog breeds you've scanned on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the scan icon. After that, select the timer button. Now, tap on the dog option. Here, you'll find all the dog breeds that you've previously scanned on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.